Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this Ombre lip that I have on right now. So if this seems like something you're interested in, then stick around and keep on watching.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like now.
So the first thing I did is to line my lips with a black pencil, and the pencil I used is from Zaron Cosmetics. I've had this for a very long time and the name has even gone off, but you can just use any random black pencil that you have. So after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to go ahead and blend the black out a little bit more because I don't want it this pigmented. So I'm going to go in with an angled brush, and you can decide to use a blending brush or anything that you have for this part, but for today I'm going to be using an angled brush. I'm going to blend downwards like this. I only want the outer corner to be a bit darker, but I want the center to be lighter. So I'm going to go in and then blend. This is what we have after blending, and now I'm going to go in with a lipstick, and the lipstick I'm going to be using is from AliExpress. It's a lipstick palette. I'm going to be using this first as the base for the actual lipstick that I'm actually going to be using today, but I just want to use this first before going in with my lipstick. So this is what we have after applying the lipstick. I'm going to try to find the link to the lip palette because last time I tried looking for it, I couldn't find it, but I'm going to try to see if I'm going to find it. If I find it, I'll have it written in my description box. So in case you're interested, you find it there. So now I'm going to move on to apply my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this one is in the shade Pioneer. Alright you guys, so this is what we have, and I added a bit of clear lip gloss, a random clear lip gloss that I got from the hair store because of course glossy lips is everything, and gloss just makes everything 10 times better. So yeah you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you learned a thing or two. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.